Well, on India's 78th Independence Day, Prime Minister Modi hailed the potential of the country's 1.4 billion people, calling the current period India's golden era. In a wide-ranging speech, Modi touched upon many issues, including economic reforms, women's safety, and the recent violence against Hindu minorities in Bangladesh. Well, keeping up with the theme of this year's Independence Day, Viksit Bharat at 2047, Modi said that these were not just words, but the reflection of resolve and dreams of 140 crore Indians. And he said, and I'm quoting here, "If we resolve and move together, we will make India a progressed nation by 2047. Prime Minister Modi called for publicizing punishments for atrocities against women to instill fear of consequences. He said that central and state governments, they need to take issue of women's safety seriously, stressing the need for speedy investigation for such crimes. Modi said that those executing these deeds should be awarded strict punishment at the earliest.
ये बदलाव ये सिर्फ एक समाज के नाते हमें गंभीरता से सोचना होगा कि हमारी माताओं, बहनों, बेटियों के प्रति जो अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, उसके प्रति देश का आक्रोश है, जन सामान्य का आक्रोश है। इस आक्रोश को मैं महसूस कर रहा हूं। इसको देश को, समाज को, हमारी राज्य सरकारों को गंभीरता से लेना होगा। महिलाओं के विरुद्ध अपराधों की जल्द से जल्द जांच हो, राक्षसी कृत्य करने वालों को जल्द से जल्द कड़ी सजा हो, वो समाज में विश्वास पैदा करने के लिए जरूरी है।
Well, on the recent issues in Bangladesh and safety of Hindus there, Prime Minister Modi expressed hope that the situation there gets normal at the earliest, adding that the concerns of 140 crore countrymen was to ensure the safety of Hindus and minorities there.
बांग्लादेश में जो कुछ भी हुआ है, उसको लेकर पड़ोसी देश के नाते चिंता होना, मैं इसको समझ सकता हूं। मैं आशा करता हूं कि वहां पर हालात जल्द ही सामान्य होंगे। खास करके 140 करोड़ देशवासियों की चिंता कि वहां हिंदू, वहां के अल्पसंख्यक, उस समुदाय की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित हो। भारत हमेशा चाहता है कि हमारे पड़ोसी देश सुख और शांति के मार्ग पर चले।
Calling for the need of a secular civil code, Prime Minister Modi underlined that the nation has been living under communal civil code for more than 70 years.
Initiatives.
सम्मान भारत
जो कानून धर्म के आधार पर देश को बांटते, जो ऊंच नीच का कारण बन जाते हैं, ऐसे कानूनों को आधुनिक समाज में कोई स्थान नहीं हो सकता है। और इसलिए मैं तो कहूंगा, अब समय की मांग है कि देश में एक सेकुलर सिविल कोड हो। हमने कम्युनल सिविल कोड में 75 साल बिताए हैं, अब हमें सेक्युलर सिविल कोड की तरफ जाना होगा। और तब जाकर के देश में धर्म के आधार पर जो भेदभाव हो रहे हैं, सामान्य नागरिक को जो दूरी महसूस होती है, उससे हमें मुक्ति मिलेगी।
Speaking from the ramparts of the iconic Red Fort in Delhi after hoisting the tricolour, Prime Minister Modi highlighted the economic reforms implemented by his government with a focus on youth, women and backward sections of the society. The Indian Prime Minister said that the reforms were implemented not for political gains or intellectual debates, but as a new blueprint for growth. He further said that the vocal for local was the new mantra for the economic system, be it tourism, education, health, MSME, transport, farming and agriculture sectors. In every sector, a new modern system is being created. Addressing the vast middle class of the country, Prime Minister Modi vowed to ensure minimal interference by government in their lives, adding that the middle class gives a lot to the nation and expects quality life in return. Well, Modi said that Indian banks were among the few banks that are strong globally, owing to major reforms undertaken by his government. Prime Minister Modi also announced the creation of 75,000 new seats in medical colleges and also a new mission to achieve the target of a healthy India by 2047. This was Prime Minister Modi's longest Independence Day speech at 98 minutes.
इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे थे कमांडर विनय दुबे। प्रसन्न है, आह्लादित है और प्रतीक्षारत माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय के संबोधन की।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की।